Hey guys, I am going to unbox some products from Brandless. Hey everybody, welcome back to Madera Green Moments. My name is Elizabeth and today I have a new video on my channel unboxing products from a company I have never tried called Brandless. Now I have seen it advertised all over social media and I thought I would finally give them a try. So if, I'm going to let you guys know now so I don't forget, but there is a coupon code in the comment section below. So if you want to try, you can get like $6 off your box, which is what I did. I did $6 off. You can order whatever you want. But I was very intrigued. I've looked at the website a couple times and a lot of items are organic. They have food items, they have like paper products. I can't remember everything I ordered, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion and review as I like unbox these different items and share with you. And if there's some food stuff, maybe we'll try that too. The very first thing I see in here is a bag. It is extra virgin olive oil spray, organic, no preservatives, and let's see, organic extra virgin olive oil. That's all there is in this. So I was excited about that. The thing that I love about almost everything here is that it's $3. So no matter what you pick, some items were like 2 for $3 or 3 for $3. So I'm excited to see how they compare to our typical Publix that we do. So I got olive oil spray. I got pancake and waffle mix, organic, no artificial colors or flavors, no preservatives. And so kind of looks like IKEA, just really simple packaging. So yeah, organic wheat flour, oat flour, corn sugar, or sorry, cane sugar, cream of tartar, pretty good ingredients, organic vanilla, organic pancake. It's gonna be pretty yummy. I'll let you know how it goes. All right, the next thing I see here are sweet potato tortilla chips. I was very excited about these. This is organic and gluten-free, no artificial flavors, preservatives. I guess I don't need to read that for every single one of them because it seems to be the same across the board. All right, I love sweet potatoes and I love sweet potato chips. Really good. This would be really good with some mango salsa. These looked very interesting to me. They are tree-free paper products. These are 150 one-ply napkins, and it's made from sugar cane and bamboo. So let's check these out. I wonder what the texture is going to be like. Oh, they're really soft. I am surprised. Wow, they feel like a regular napkin. I was worried they were going to be like scratchy. Not bad. All right, I like these. Another chip. You guys know I love my chips and salsa. These are yellow corn, of course, organic. Let's see. Yep, 2 thumbs up for me. All right, some more paper products. I got some organic cotton, chlorine-free cotton swabs. Sometimes this stuff can get very, very expensive when you are at the store. Let's see. Yeah, they look, they look normal. I'll have to let you know how they go, how they work. The other one I got was cotton rounds. I love this for taking off my makeup at night with coconut oil. And this again is organic cotton rounds. Ta-da! I mean, the amount of choices they have on the site are pretty cool. Ooh, super plush, super soft. I like it. All right, my kids go through too much ketchup. Do your kids go through too much ketchup? Are you guys a ketchup family? I only use ketchup, I think, on like veggie hot dogs or no, veggie burgers. That's about it. But they go through a lot, and because they use a lot of something, I usually try to make sure it's organic. Like in our house, we only buy organic meat. So when it comes to ketchup, we always get organic. I love adding chia seeds to my smoothies or my shakes, and so I got some organic black chia seeds. I thought this was a good price to get all these chia seeds. Another thing my kids are obsessed with is macaroni and cheese. And I decided to give theirs a try. They are mac and cheese snobs too, like they only like certain kinds. So I've bought some of the organic kinds and they really don't like them. So I've decided we will try these. This is organic shells and yellow cheddar, no artificial flavors or preservatives. So I should do like an updated brand list after we try some of these products. Milled flaxseed, organic cold mill brandless flaxseed. Definitely gonna be adding this to my smoothies or my oatmeal. Really great for your baking. Okay, this I thought was a phenomenal deal. We always keep beans in our house for soups or different recipes just to have them on hand. And sometimes the organic is a lot more expensive than the non-organic at the store. So these were $3. I got each can for $1, and I thought that was phenomenal to get a can of organic black beans, and I got organic kidney beans. We just make a lot of like minestrone soup, veggie chili, meat chili for the family, not for me. So I got lots of beans to keep in the pantry. Ooh, I see some stuff I can try. Okay, I got some fruit mix hard candy. This is, oh, it's just a mix of fruit. Look at the pretty colors. Oh, I don't know if you can see them all. There's like yellow and green and pink and red, and they're like iridescent. So let's try a red one. Okay, so the red wrapping is a yellow candy. Okay, these are the flavors: iced mint mango, pomegranate, blood orange, and watermelon. I have no idea which flavor this is, but it is really, really good. I feel like it could be watermelon or it could be blood orange. So this one is roasted red pepper organic soup. And they had some others. I love making soup from scratch, but I just thought this would be fun to try, just to give it a try and see what we thought. I got some creamy peanut butter, and I was gonna get a couple of these, and then I thought, let me just get one and see if we care for it. But the ingredients in this is organic peanuts and sea salts. There's no sugar added. And there's no oil added, so that's really good. Yep, peanuts and sea salt. Yep, so good. Okay, I'm definitely getting this again because peanut butter that's made with clean ingredients can be really expensive. Salsa! I should have tried this with the chips. That is good salsa. I got maple syrup. I got 2 maple syrups. And the only thing in here is real pure organic maple syrup. So I love real maple syrup for our kids, for our family, not that Aunt Jemima fake stuff, but the container of them at the store, no matter what brand I buy, whether it's a store brand or a name brand, is between $6 and $7. So I thought if I can get this at a better deal, like the peanut butter, we could be saving ourselves a ton of money on maple syrup. Really, really good, guys. This is definitely going to be a staple for us. So good. All right, I have one more thing to try. And they had a lot of different trail mixes, bars, and then nuts. I got glazed almonds, and I had a very hard time picking out the flavor, but I picked maple because I'm Canadian. I love maple syrup. But they had just different ones, and I definitely want to try the other ones if I like these. But these are glazed nuts. Maple flavor. Oh, this is good. Really, really good. Super yummy. All right, guys, so we got some paper products not made from trees, some things to cook with. Overall, I really enjoy Brandless. I think I'm definitely going to place another order when we run out of some things. I'm interested to try some of the items to cook with, and like the beans and the mac and cheese and the individual container of soup. So it'll be interesting to see how do we like them, how do they fit into our lives. The salsa is pretty good, the peanut butter is amazing. Let me know if you've tried this company before. If you do want to try it, I've got that coupon code for $6 off, so that's pretty cool, so you don't have to pay full price. And everything was really inexpensive, so it's worth a look if you can save some money on your groceries to get some organic products, because I don't know if you have access to stores where you can get organic products discounted or cheaper. I don't, and so everything's pretty pricey where we live. So I enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to trying them out. I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.